G'day viewers, I'm excited because the beast has arrived. Check this out. This is a pretty cool car. Have a look at this. This is a four-wheel drive turbo diesel Super GL lifted Hiace. It's a beast. It drives beautifully. It's got massive off-road clearance, and it's a 3-litre turbo diesel constant four-wheel drive. It's got a bed in the back and it's ready to tackle Australia. It looks amazing on the road. Everyone's winding down their window saying, what is this? Where do I get one of these from? I've been stopped twice in the traffic today just running around in this car. So with the Super GL2, you've got a lot of luxury gear that's simply not available on an Australian Hiace. It's got air conditioning in the back, a much more luxurious interior, chrome door handles and mirrors, chrome front bumper, driving lights, colour-coded bumpers. The list goes on. Proper climate control. Look at the ground clearance on this puppy. This is ready to tackle a camping trip, a beach, the snow. It's a kind of go anywhere car. Look at the nice interior, electric everything. Bit unusual this one. It's got a Clasio leather seat cover for the driver, not for the passenger. Don't know why that is. That's how it's come. Double airbags. This is an 010, 74,000 Ks. You can see there the dual zone climate control for front and back. Up in the roof here, it's got back climate control. Let's have a quick look here. That's your rear air conditioning. Now this is not set up for driving. It doesn't come with seat belts. It's set up for camping, for having a snooze in the back. This bed needs to be bolted down. So at the moment, it's not bolted down. I think our detailers took it out to give it a bit of a clean. When you lie this section down here, it just turns into a massive fun place to have a snooze. There's some basic curtains in the back. With the dark tints, it's hard to see inside of it. It's pretty dark. And you've got a sliding window here, another one here, so that you can have some fresh air in the back. It also comes with a heater. That's your heater controls in the back as well. It's carpeted, it's lined, so there's very good insulation in that if you can have a snooze in the back. And you can see it's got these little fender flares as well. Nice off-road wheels and tyres. If you like the look of this car, give us a buzz at Sunrise Cars. Our number is 02 9744 0539. Or go to the website for the price of this car, www.sunrisecars.com.au. Or come in and say g'day. That's my ugly mug there if you'd like a familiar face to say hello to. Hello. Give us a buzz, ask about the Hiace Beast, and I'll know what you're talking about. Thanks for watching this video. Signing off. You'll see ya.